everyone, start off, take a section from the left side of the hair or the right side and then clip it up using this multiple opening clip. Fold in multiple sections of the hair, twist it and then insert it into each of the openings. Out of the rest of the hair, braid it up and then tie it up towards the left side. Use bobby pins in order to make it stay in place. Take two sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back and then add a decorative clip to it. Tie a low ponytail, then add a rubber band in the middle, roll this upwards and then add a decorative clip on top of this as adjusted as such. Next, take two sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back, roll the hair in on itself. Tie a low ponytail, add a rubber band in the middle, add a multiple prong pin in order to make it stay in place. Adjust it and loosen it out accordingly. Next, take this bendable twine and then add the hair through it. After this, twist the hair around it, bring it to the bottom, roll it upwards, and then twist it into place as required. Next, we'll start off by taking some decorative clips. Now tie the hair into a ponytail, bend it a little bit and then add another rubber band to it. At the base, tie another rubber band, roll the hair in on itself, wrap it around the bun. Twist the hair after dividing it into two sections, then add a decorative clip to the bottom. Next, tie a ponytail at the bottom, divide the ponytail into three parts and then for each of the openings, twist the hair and insert them into each of the openings as such. Taking the remaining hair that is lifted up, tie a rubber band to it and then using bobby pins, make a bun out of it. Take a section from the top of the hair and then twist it and then clip it up using this multiple opening clip. Make another section underneath it, twist it, insert it into the central portion. Take the right side section, insert it into the left side section after twisting it and vice versa. Make a bun at the top with the remaining section, add a multiple prong pin in order to make it stay in place. Next, take this decorative clip, start off by tying a low ponytail, twist the hair around this and then fasten the clip into place, twist it. Next, we will start off by tying a ponytail, slightly loosen out this ponytail and then add a decorative multiple prong pin in order to fasten it from the side. Taking the remaining portion of the hair, tie a rubber band to the base, twist it, make a bun out of it and adjust it accordingly. Next, start off by tying a ponytail, lift the hair up and then use a multiple prong pin in order to fasten it in its place. Make a bun with the rest of it. Thank you for watching.